Today on Talk It Out Tuesday, we're going to discuss the importance of digitizing engineering records. Digitizing engineering drawings extends far beyond convenience. It is a crucial step in modernizing industrial workflows and preserving valuable design data. Traditional paper-based blueprints are susceptible to wear, loss, and degradation over time, which can result in the loss of critical information. By converting these physical documents into digital formats, companies can ensure long-term data integrity, improve accessibility, and reduce storage space requirements. Digital drawings are easily searchable, shareable, and editable, facilitating more efficient collaboration among engineering teams and streamlining updates during design revisions or regulatory changes. At GISI, we offer professional digitization of engineering drawings. Our expertise ensures that each document is scanned at high resolution, accurately indexed, and stored in formats compatible with modern CAD systems and document management platforms. This not only preserves the original details and annotations, but also integrates legacy data into today's digital engineering environments. With GISI, organizations can protect their valuable intellectual property while improving productivity and operational efficiency. For more information, give us a call at 702-222-3590 or visit us online at graphicimaging.net.